Well, I was in Joe's bar the other night. Been fighting with my baby, I didn't feel too good. A chick up at the bar and man, she was tight. She says, buy me a drink, daddy, it'll make you feel good. I didn't see no harm, so I bought her a drink. Wasn't looking for company, I needed time to think. One thing led to another, the way they do. I took her home, oh come on in, what else could I do? She said, oh I might have tried, fixed herself a drink. I didn't feel too cool with my head in the sink. She poured herself another, she poured in three. Said, I need a stiff one. Ah, baby, you telling me? Ooh-wee, why should this happen to me? I said, ooh-wee, I'm trying to live with decorum and sobriety. I didn't want this chick playing me for a fool. I declare it's hot in here, I slip into something cool. I thought, well, now's my chance to get the hell out of here. She walks in stark naked and pouring on me. Trying to make my exit, there were noises on the stair. Oh, that's my husband, what the hell's he doing here? You leave by the window, cause he's pretty tough. Don't know how many men has killed her, but I know that's enough. Ooh, that's what I cried. I ain't telling no lie. Well, I promise I'll be good like I know I should, cause I'm much too young to die. Well, I jumped out of the window, it was on the second floor. I ran a few steps, then I fell a few more. I covered several blocks, yeah, looking for my car. I thought I could use a drink and I was back.